I am gonna pull the fire alarm. This will be so funny. Ha 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 ha. Haha, I pulled the fire alarm. Now let's get out of here before anyone notices it was me.
Oh no, the school is on fire, we better get out of here quickly. Wait a minute, the school is not even on fire.
I know, somebody pulled the fire alarm, and I am gonna watch over the camera footage on my phone to figure out who did it. Weddy Mario, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. Go home. You're expelled forever.
Oh no, I'm gonna be so grounded.
Room and never come out.
Way.